While you're home studying your favorite subject, which would be physics, of course, why, I hope you're studying up on the electromagnetic spectrum. Hey, please don't go out and party hardy. You want to stay safe, and you want to keep your parents and your grandparents safe. Enjoy hours and hours of fun with those board games, texting your friends. Hey, have a good time, but don't go out. Today's topic is the electromagnetic spectrum, running madly in very unusual Xbox games, running radio waves madly, microwaves, in infrared, very visible spectrum, unusual ultraviolet, extreme Xbox, extreme or Xbox, X-ray, games, gamma rays. Let's talk about FM radio waves. This is really pretty interesting. So, higher frequency waves are measured in kilohertz, 1,000, megahertz, 1,000,000, or gigahertz, 1,000,000,000. The signal or wave sent out by Q101 has a frequency of 101 million hertz. This frequency has been assigned to them by the FCC, the Federal Communications Commission. That means that there are 101 million wavelengths striking your radio's antenna every second. Well, what does that mean? How long is the wavelength? Hey, we can figure that out. Velocity equals frequency times wavelength. All light in the electromagnetic spectrum travels at 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. And since you have a frequency of 1.01 times 10 to the 8th, that means those wavelengths are 2.97 meters long. Isn't that incredibly interesting? Hey, physics is fun for everyone. And who could talk about the electromagnetic spectrum without the family favorite, the microwave? Ta-da! Everybody in America has touched one of these. Now here's another great addition to the electromagnetic spectrum. It's called the temperature gun, non-contact infrared thermometer. Why, good for animal care, aquariums, horticulture, also good for food safety and AC repair. Don't forget RC hobbies. Why, your temperature gun, if we were there in school, I would be messing with you as usual. I would call it the who's hot and who's not demonstration. You see, all you have to do, oh look, there's my temperature, 89.8 degrees Fahrenheit. That's your external body temperature, of course. And, you know, I messed with you because I do who's hot and who's not by having this obey the inverse square law. You see, the further I am away from you when I take a reading, the colder it is. The closer I am to your body when I press the button, the better it is and the warmer it is. Oh well, hey, my secret's revealed. Have a great day, guys. Study your electromagnetic spectrum. Infrared, another part of the visible spectrum. Right below Roy G. Biv of the visible spectrum, or visible light, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, no indigo, and violet. Hey, have you checked these out yet? There's a good-looking group, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 6th, and 7th period. Go to my teacher pages to see the best-looking classes ever. Hey guys, what's up? Certainly not the sun in Illinois. I've got a UV meter for you today. We're going to study ultraviolet radiation. Welcome to the snow. Just like I thought. Hey, we don't have to worry about a sunburn today. Isn't that great? No tanning for us. In our our discussion of the electromagnetic spectrum, you need one of these. Who could be without one? Urine off. Urine finder. Find it, treat it. Finds urine you can't see. Powerful LED. Ultraviolet technology. There's the rub. Ultraviolet technology. You too can have one in your collection. You thought I was kidding. Look, the urine finder. Just exactly as I promised you. You too can have one of your very own. I'm sure Amazon sells one. Alright, here's what we're going to do with the urine finder. While you're home, enjoying the vacation, why, I'm sure you'll have plenty of time to do your beading. Oh look, they're UV beads in an ultraviolet light. You too can have a set all your own. I'm sure Amazon will help you. Today we're going to talk about X-rays. I know you've all been wondering if I'm in my right mind. Here's the proof. I think so. It's looking pretty good. You've been the judge. How good are the jokes? X-rays. X-rays. Before the day of digital X-rays, which were 1/10 the intensity and far cheaper to produce, and by the way, they were there within moments of the dentist having taken them, there were things that were archaic enough to be called X-rays. They put the lead blanket on you to protect your internal organs, and this is what you got. Smile.